Experiencing password reset issues with Boost Mobile? You're not alone. Many users encounter problems with email, SMS, and 2FA resets. The primary reasons include expired email links that are valid for 24 hours, SMS delays due to network congestion, especially during high-volume events, and misconfigured 2FA settings. Start by checking your spam folder for email resets and ensuring your registered phone number is current in the Boost Mobile app. If using SMS for 2FA, delays can occur. Try requesting the code again or waiting a few minutes. For 2FA issues, try disabling and re-enabling it within the app settings. If problems persist, clear the Boost Mobile app's cache or reinstall it. Prioritize using the Boost Mobile app for password resets as it has a higher success rate than the web portal. For immediate assistance, Boost Mobile customer support via live chat or phone is the best route. If basic troubleshooting fails, consider these advanced solutions and security best practices. Ensure your account has at least one verified contact method, email, or phone number. If you suspect a SIM swap scam is blocking SMS resets, contact Boost Mobile support immediately to request a temporary PIN via email and enable dual verification. For 2FA, using an authenticator app is more secure than SMS. Be aware of phishing attempts and only use secure, private networks for password resets. If you're still facing issues, it may be related to temporary carrier-side outages. Keep an eye on the Boost Community Forum for updates and known issues. For long-term security, consider biometric login options within the Boost Mobile app and avoid using public Wi-Fi. Remember, if all methods fail, contact Boost Mobile support at 1-888-BOOST-99.